Hi everyone, I hope everyone is doing well. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how to fix the problem of Excel sheet tabs not showing in Excel workbook. As you can see at the bottom left section, the sheets are not shown, and we're going to fix this problem right now. We're coming to File section, and after we click File section, we're coming to Options. And after we click Options, we are coming to Advanced, and we're scrolling all the way down until we found display options for this workbook. As you can see here, show sheets tabs is not checked. We have to check this, and after that we're clicking OK. And now, as you can see at the bottom left section, all the tabs are displayed. Let's check it, and as you can see now, we can navigate between tabs and we can modify them as the way that we want. So this video was like this. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please give a big thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe in order to see more future content. Thank you for watching me, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Until then, have a nice day. Bye bye.